driving for a while, her hair blowing in the open window of my car. And as we go the traffic lights, I watch them glimmer in her eyes in the darkness of the evening. And I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat.
Hey, sorry I missed your call, but just leave a message after the beep.
Hey, it's me. Just been thinking about everything tonight, and I don't know, I just miss you so much. Give me a call back if you can.
Picture perfect memories scattered all around the floor. Reaching for the phone 'cause I can't fight it anymore. And I wonder if I ever cross your mind. For me it happens all the time. It's a quarter after one. I'm all alone and I need you now. Said I wouldn't call, but lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now.